हेलो एवरीवन, दिस इज डॉक्टर देबाशीष मिश्रा। एक एसएससी जेई का क्वेश्चन है, यू कैन सी क्लियरली। आज हम लोग उसको सॉल्व करेंगे। देखो क्वेश्चन क्या है। फॉर द सर्किट गिवन इन द फिगर, द पावर डिलीवर्ड बाय द 2 volt source is given by 4 volt, 4 watt, 2 watt, minus 2 watt, minus 4 watt. Got my point, my dear students? So this is the circuit. This is your 2 volt source given here. This is the 1 ohm resistance. This is a 1 ampere current and 3 ohm resistance. This is the SSC JE question. We will solve what is the power delivered by the 2 volt source. So we will calculate. This is the options: 4 watt, 2 watt, minus 2 watt, minus 4 watt. We will solve. So for calculating the power, we know the formula is P is equals to V into I. Okay, here V is there, and we have to calculate the current. We have to calculate the current so that we can find the power. Clear? So this is your voltage. If we apply KCL, Kirchhoff's current law. What is Kirchhoff's current law? Incoming current is equals to the outgoing current. So this is the current I. So this will be your I1, and one current is coming like this. So this is 1 ampere current. So if we apply KCL at node A, suppose this is node A. So I current is incoming and 1 ampere current is incoming and I1 is outgoing. What I told before, incoming current is equal to the outgoing current. So which currents are incoming? So I is the incoming current and 1 is the incoming current. Which is the outgoing current? Outgoing current is I1. Clear, my dear students? KCL is incoming current is equals to the outgoing current towards a point. Here is the point or the junction. I is the incoming, 1 is the incoming, I1 is the outgoing. So I plus 1 is equals to I1. So we have to calculate the I. Okay, so you can see here, this is your 2 volt source and this is your 1 ohm, and here there is no resistance. So we all know in parallel voltage is same. Clear? So here is the 2 volt source. So we can say in parallel voltage is same. So here also voltage is 2 volt. So what can we do here? This is your 2 volt. What are given? Resistance is given. We know the formula according to Ohm's law. V is equals to, my dear students, V is equals to I into R. Voltage is given, that is 2 volt. Here you can say 2 volt because parallel. 2 volt is equals to I1 into R. I1 is, sorry, I1 is not given, into R is 1 ohm. So I1 is equals to 2 by 1 is equals to 2 ampere. Clear, my dear students? I1 is 2 ampere. So according to the formula, this is the formula. I plus 1 is equals to I1. So you will write I plus 1 is equals to I1 is 2 ampere. It implies that here also 1 ampere. So I is equals to 2 ampere minus 1 ampere. It implies that I is equals to 1 ampere. Clear, my dear students? I is equals to 1 ampere. You can write here I is equals to 1 ampere. So what is the question? Question is, what is the power delivered by the 2 volt source? So P is equals to VI. P is equals to, what is the voltage? Voltage is 2. What is current? This is 2 ampere. So it is 4 watt. Answer is 4 watt. Clear, my dear students? Answer is 4 watt. This is a SSC JEE question. Okay, you can solve in this particular manner. If any doubt, comment me in the comment section. I will clarify. Thank you.